Mama Thandi, ngizofuna izinto zomntwana. You know ukuthi since uDumsana eshonile awukazi wabhadala ini maintenance yomntwana.
Angiyena mina sisi.
Umntwana kaDumsana
ubondla ingane yakhe uDumsana eshonile.
50% yomshado wakho uthengayo. Ayithi kumele wondle umntwana?
No.
Ithini?
Awusebenzi nje ulindele ukumaintainela umntwana. Ufuna ukondlelwa yini? Ngani?
Umfazi kaDumsana will never change. Anyika khona ukumelana neqiniso ezumama acabangele abanye abantwana. Mawumama usumama ngalo mntwana umzanayo kuphela.
Ufike empilweni yami ngaphuma nabantwana bami. Ingane yakho yondliwa. Eyazama kaze zendlini. Usuzothi maintainela abantwana. Ngibafundisile abantwana. Bafike ema-university baqeda. Akazifani nesent leya ndoda. Ibiyondla umntwana wakho.
Uyabona so le ndlu
uhambe emaloyeni mangabe ufuna ukuthi uphume imali kini ekaDumsana.
So le ndlu leya semapeta leya
ngiyakhokha lapha every month. Fanele ukuthi sonke soyi4 sikhokha. Ukhokha nomntana njengamanzi 6000 konke. Nala ngikoloto 8000. Ukhokha mina ngiyi1.
Zonke lezi ndlela zishare ukuze sikwazi ukukhokhela.
Zishare kanjani? Zishare
Inkuleka zohlala nawe nayo.
Ubani?
Sikhuluma ngayo.
Le ithengwe yimi ngiyi1.
Mara semapeta
Dumsana ubelala lapha namantombazane nawo.
It doesn't matter.
Leyo nje ungazoyiqala.
So if ukhuluma ngicela uphindele sisi.
Uyangidelela ke uyangidelela ngoba awungiboni. Le injani?
You don't want to see the other side.
Le injani? Ingane zami ngizondlela.
Nice.
Siyafana ke.
Ufisa ukuhlala phambi kwami
uyofayitha yathi sikuphuma la.
Uzofayithela imali yami?
Right, ufuna
ukufayithela imali yami.
ufuna le semapeta.
Asiyakhe. Ngisheya bonke. Nathi manzana ngithi ngibaya out 250,000.
Umbaya out 250 ucala ukuthi ngichazwa imali. Ngifuna ukumshaya. Like ngiyengafila nokumtapa ngefoni ngicabanga lama-camera nje ukuthi azobheka phezulu. Ubona uDumsana ngabe beyazobhaliwe ila ibhalile 250,000. Ngithi ubona uDumsana bekazobhalela umntwana indlu amnikeza 250,000.
Ngoba uthi umbaya out.
Ngoba mbona ngafanelanga ukuba nendlu.
Kwazi imali ekhona wena sisi. Siba yi4. Sinama-shares wethu. And 50% yaleyo mali first thing izalini. Lihle zosala siyashare futhi.
Ke lawyer ke dira ka ditaba tsa family law le deceased estate.
Okay.
So mo ke tshwere will ya the late Mr. Dumisani. At the time Dr. Dumisani actually he was married in community of property. So it means everything never share 50% yeah deceased estate, 50% yeah estate itlaka mo ka surviving spouse killing mentoring. Of that 50% yeah the late Mr. Dumisani, 50% in Eukimo ba share these percentages. Mama Doreen was married in community of property killing it. Mare had the deceased at Hokofal. That death Jona it is over lenyano na bona. After as not Hokofal, you can only claim through or through the master of the high court. You can't claim for surviving spouse.
In the will, it's mentioned all of the beneficiaries but all receive the benefit when they turn 21. Maintenance and education, however, they are not included in that waiting until 21. So, Nkululeko does have a claim in the deceased estate to say, I need roll on. School.
Property yako a generator and income. Again, there is a maintenance portion. I told more from 50% to the deceased estate. After the levies and water and electricity and all of those expenses,
Can I talk about that? Because I've been paying everything up there. Though I think it's less than even 4,000 because in there way correct. Piping and 14,000. So every Buddha contributed it. How can they pay me? But for now,
everyone saying more.
Yes.
Expensive.
Those two
are all equally responsible for the expense.
One of the most important things at home is that once you receive property, yes, give benefit how, but at the same time, you are also liable So if in levies, water, electricity, it's also going to be your responsibility. Because no receive a fella ntlo and then you enjoy the benefits, but you are not equally liable for the debt.
For 5 years, ushushu usalwa nokulungisa into eyi-1. Usalwa nokulungisa amaphayiphi.
Ungenaphi?
Le rent le sikhuluma ngayo for 5 years. Elokayi-collect. Dumisani ashonile. Ngendlela ungakhona uthatha nomuzi wasezolo uzowuthenga into clinic awucabangeli imindeni wakhaba uDumisani.
Mina ngishadile uNtungisi unkosikazi wakhona. Ngine-right.
Ushada uDumisani ushadanga indlu yakhaba uDumisani.
Ngine-right yayo yonke into.
Ufike endlini the way unesibindi ngakhona ufike endlini uthathe ngisho i-teaspoon.
Ntombazane. Izinto zonke lezithengwe yini?
Unamanga.
Ungathi ngamanga.
Unamanga. Salamanga.
Everybody answers food. So when you just keep quiet, let them go back and forth. At the end of the day, it's really talk money in and all the answers. So it doesn't matter what now. As long as we've got the will in front of us. So I think family house because it did not belong to the deceased. And Leona Kabayori at some point the negotiations out. Baka mo buy out the other 3 parties, they can buy her out but the cash payment. After that, baka mola something that's called a redistribution agreement.
If akafuna ukubaya out ufuna ukuba ukuhlala endweni zikaba bakhe.
If she doesn't want to sell her share, then I get 30% high.
Okay. It stays like that.
Like that. It's also her home. So, the rent money that's coming in definitely no globally a share. But everybody, okay, key end to on a share.
Yeah, I keep on paying.
Rent again Kibukana, Marmotakas Otoang, Rinsari Pipe, Rapenta, It means that everybody must also contribute to the NKC, but it must be an open book.
Yes.
Excuse me,
Thank you.
Thank you.